There she was, just walking down the street singing, stepping her fingers and shuffling her feet singing. She looked good, she looked fine, she looked good, she looked fine, and I nearly lost my mind. Before I knew it, she was walking next to me singing, holding my hand just as natural as can be singing. We walked on to my door, we walked on to my door, then we kissed a little more. Whoa, I knew we were falling in love. Yes, I did, and so I told her all the things that I've been dreaming of. Now we're together nearly every single day singing, and we're so happy, and that's how we're gonna stay singing. Well, I'm hers, she's mine. I'm hers, she's mine. Wedding bells are gonna chime.